First, go to the Library module from the Admin panel. Then go to the Member option. Select any specific class from the top right corner. The student list of that class will appear. Click on the plus icon to add any student as a member. Put the library ID and fee on the required field, then click on the Add Member button. To add a new book, go to the Books option in the Library module. Click on Add a Book from the top left corner. Fill up all the required fields and hit the Add Book button. To add an issue, go to the Issue option in the Library module. Click on Issue a Book from the top left corner. Fill up all the required fields. Put the library ID of the student who wants to issue the book. Select the book that will be issued. Type the serial number and date. Then click on the Add Issue button. The information will be saved. You can also add and view e-books. For that, go to the e-books option from the Library module. Click on Add e-book from the top left corner. Fill up all the required fields. Choose a cover photo you want to show for the e-book, and choose the PDF file of the book. Then click on the Add e-book button. A new e-book will be uploaded.